Hey guys, welcome to FunDay Kid. Today we're gonna open this RC king snake. So let's open it. Now we just need a net. Okay. See how it's making the sound? It also it comes with a remote control. I'll put a batteries in it and then I'll see how it works. Anyways, this is shaped as an egg. And it has a crack in it. This is my remote, so let's see. Oh. It's working. It can go, look, it can go like left to right and it can go backwards. Hope you liked this video. We'll see you in our next episode. Bye! Thank you for watching. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!